So for this course, you're going to be needing Node.js, okay? And you're going to be needing, of course, Laravel. Okay? And of course, you're going to be needing some type of IDE or text editor, but you guys already know that, right? But the most important thing that we need right here is Node.js, okay? You need to have this installed because this is responsible for allowing us to install packages, okay? And to run, of course, Laravel packages like Vuejs, for example. Well, it's not a Laravel package, but it comes with Laravel. We can use npm installed or npm update or anything like that. So it's really important that you have it. If you don't have it, if you have maybe a Homestead bots and you're doing this in a Homestead bots, the Homestead bots is going to have this, which is a virtual environment for Laravel. So I just wanted to make sure that you guys have the Node.js installed in your computer. If you don't have Node.js for some reason, well, you go to Node.js and download it. Download the latest version if you want. Okay, and all you have to do is download it, open that package up, that file, and keep clicking on the default options until you install it completely. Another tool that I recommend for Windows users to have is the Git bash. Okay, Git, the version control little program that we use to save our projects, and I have to do project 1, project 2, project 3. This allows us to save different versions of our project without having to copy them and paste all the time. But it also brings this Git bash, this Git shell that Windows users can use. And it's pretty cool because it's very similar to what we have in a terminal in Mac or Linux. Okay, it's going to be a black window. And once you install Node, open your Git bash. Guys, by the way, download it. You can download it. Okay, it's going to say Windows here. And just follow the prompts by default. Okay, and you can choose to have the Git option. I think it's 2 or 3 that says that you want to use the Git bash only. And you don't want to wrap around the command prompt. You don't want to do that. You just want the Git bash. Once you install Node, all you have to do is do node -v, lowercase v, and that's going to tell you your version number. That way you know that Node.js was installed, okay? Pretty simple. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys, and be ready for the lecture. If I'm missing something here, let me know, and I will add this lecture just in case. See you in the next lectures.